Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn Prim's algorithm, which is used to find the minimum cost spanning tree. Also, we solve some examples that are asked previously in examination. Let's see what exactly a Prim's algorithm is. Before going to minimum cost spanning tree, what is spanning tree first? A spanning tree is a subgraph of an undirected connected graph which includes all the vertices of the graph with a minimum possible number of edges. Also, there is no cycle in spanning tree. Okay. And what is minimum spanning tree then? A minimum spanning tree is a spanning tree in which the sum of the weight of the edges is as minimum as possible. Okay. So a minimum cost spanning tree is a spanning tree of least cost. There are total two methods which are greedy. First one is Prim's and second one is Kruskal. In this video we are going to learn Prim's algorithm. In next video we are going to learn what is Kruskal algorithm. Okay. Both gives the same answer but they have different strategies. Let's see what is Prim's. It's a famous greedy algorithm. It is used for finding minimum cost spanning tree or minimum spanning tree of a given graph. But to apply this algorithm, the given graph must be weighted, connected and undirected. If it is an directed graph and not connected, then we are not able to apply this Prim's algorithm. Okay. It is used for finding the minimum spanning tree from a graph. Prim's algorithm finds the subset of edges that includes every vertex of a graph such that the sum of the weight of the edges can be minimized. The main funda of this algorithm is that it starts with the single node. Okay, we can choose any vertex of a graph first and then explore the adjacent node with all the connecting edges at every step. Okay, the edges will be minimum weight causing no cycle in the graph got selected. So this point is most important. Whenever you select the vertex and draw that particular edge, there must be no cycle. If it is, then it is not a minimum cost spanning tree. Let's learn the algorithm, how we are performing or we are applying this Prim's algorithm in any connected and undirected graph. Step number 1, randomly choose any vertex. अगर एग्जाम में आपको दिया है your starting vertex is A or starting vertex is B, then you have to choose starting vertex that particular vertex. Okay. अगर नहीं दिया है, you can choose any vertex and start from that particular vertex. Okay. So the vertex connecting to the edges having least weight is usually selected. Suppose first vertex is you are selecting A. Okay. You are selecting first vertex as A. So the minimum weight going through, suppose from here it is B, here it is C. And the weight from A to C is 6. And the weight from A to B is 2. So first, which weight will be selected? This A to B, because it is minimum. Okay. So the vertex connecting to the edge having least weight is usually selected. So find all the edges that connects the tree to new vertex or new vertices. And find the least weight edge among those edges and include it in the existing tree. For example, here one more vertex is there, which is D. Okay. And suppose B to D weight is 3 and C to D weight is 4. Okay. Now A and B is already selected. So from A and B, next minimum weight will be selected. From A and B, which is the next minimum weight? Next minimum weight is this 3. Okay. I will explain you in better way in upcoming example. Okay. So if including that edges creates a cycle, then reject that particular edge. Okay. अगर कभी भी हम कोई नोड वर्टेक्स सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं मिनिमम एज का और वो साइकिल क्रिएट कर रहा है, वी हैव टू रिजेक्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर एज. Okay, and look for the next least weight edge. Step number 3, repeat the step 2 until all vertices are included and minimum spanning tree is obtained. So you can write these steps also in algorithm, or you can write the next part, that is this one. That is step 1, select a starting vertex. You can choose any vertex. Repeat step 3 and 4 until there are fringe vertices. That means all vertices are selected. So select an edge E connecting the tree vertex and fringe vertex that has minimum weight. Add the selected edge and the vertex to the minimum spanning tree T, then end of the loop, exit. Okay, we have to repeat this third and fourth step until we reach to each and every vertex. Okay, let's see the example. You can understand better. Okay, the given graph is this one. अगर आपको एग्जाम में नहीं दिया है स्टार्टिंग वर्टेक्स, यू कैन चूज एनी वर्टेक्स एंड स्टार्ट following the process of Prim's algorithm. Okay, suppose we are taking a starting node as A. What is X? X is a set of nodes that is explored. For example, A अगर मैंने लिया है तो वो ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लोर हो चुका है, फिर से मुझे A पे नहीं जाना है. Is that clear? So X equal to A. अब हम क्या करेंगे according to Prim's algorithm? The least total how many edges are there from A? First one is A to B, second one is A to C, third one is A to D, and fourth one is A to E. Okay, so which edge have the minimum cost? This 4. So first we select the vertex A to B, that is 4. And write it down, B as explode, that X equal to A comma B. Now from A and B अब हमें दोनों चेक करना है. A ये मत समझो कि A वर्टेक्स से अब हम दूसरे नोड पे नहीं जा सकते, नहीं. अब A और B दोनों में से which edges has minimum? Okay, A to C 6 and here 5. From B there is a minimum which is going to C, so we select B to C. Is it clear? A B दोनों से हमें चेक करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर यहां से 1 जा रहा होता A to E, तो वी सिलेक्ट A to E एज फर्स्ट. इज इट क्लियर? ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने A सिलेक्ट ऑलरेडी कर दिया था, अब B से ही 2 जा रहा है तो हमें B से ही लेना है. इट मे बी पॉसिबल A से कोई और मिनिमम कॉस्ट जा रहा होता तो हम वो सिलेक्ट करते. नाउ इट मे बी पॉसिबल, सपोज इंस्टेड ऑफ हियर 5 देयर इज 2. ओके, सो you can select A to E or you can select B to C, no matter. Okay, कोई इशू नहीं है, आंसर करेक्ट ही आएगा क्योंकि नेक्स्ट फेज में आप फिर B to C ही सिलेक्ट करने वाला है अगर आपने फर्स्ट A to E सिलेक्ट किया है तो. क्लियर? ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम B to C there is minimum edges which have the cost of 2. Now what is your X? A, B and C. Now check from A, B and C which have minimum edge and which goes to their adjacent vertices. Okay, so you can see here B, C to D 1. Okay, now C to E is 5, C to A is 6, A to C is 6, A to D is 6, A to E is 5. So minimum is 1. So we select C to D. Okay, simultaneously you have to draw this graph. Okay, now what is our X? X is equal to A, B, C and D. Now from these 4, which is the next minimum? Okay, which was the next minimum? It may be possible वो A से जा रहा होगा, it may be possible वो B से जा रहा होगा, it may be possible it's going from C, it going from D. ऐसा नहीं है D आया है तो हमें D ही सिलेक्ट करना है. Okay, okay, you can see the next minimum goes from B to E. Okay, अब फिर से सेम वर्टेक्स को पे नहीं जा सकते. ओके, दिस ऑल आर द वर्टेक्स विच आर एक्सप्लोर्ड. आपको फिर से इसे एक्सप्लोर नहीं करना है. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ डी से हम जा सकते हैं यहीं पे बट विद द कॉस्ट ऑफ 7. सी टू ई भी हम जा सकते हैं बट विद द कॉस्ट ऑफ 5. द मिनिमम कॉस्ट इज बी टू ई और कोई साइकिल भी क्रिएट नहीं हो रही है. ओके, अब साइकिल कैसे क्रिएट होती है आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू जस्ट अ मिनट. सो नेक्स्ट मिनिमम एज इज बी टू ई. Okay, and which it has the cost of 3. So you can see here all the vertices are connected. Okay, all the vertices are connected. Now what you have to do? Simply you have to add all the edges and give the minimum cost to connect each and every node. ओके, नाउ कहाँ यूज होता है ये, व्हाट इज द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ प्रिम्स एल्गोरिथम? इट इज यूज फॉर मेज जनरेशन और केबल लाइन, इलेक्ट्रिक ग्रिड लेआउट और लैन नेटवर्क अगर हमें डालना है एक सोसाइटी में, स्पेशली इन द केस वेयर द ग्राफ आर डेंस, ओके, देन दिस प्रिम्स एल्गोरिथम विल बी यूजफुल. अब एक सिंपल एग्जांपल लो, अगर मुझे इलेक्ट्रिक ग्रिड या केबल, ये सपोज ये ए इज वन ऑफ द हाउस, बी सी ई, ओके, ऑल आर, ये सब सपोज एक नोड नहीं है कि घर है, और मुझे एक हर घर को कनेक्ट करना है, ओके, तो मिनिमम मीटर मेरा वायर कितना जाएगा, विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रिम्स एल्गोरिथम आई कैन आइडेंटिफाई. Okay, to connect all the houses I require only 10 meter. Suppose the weightage are in the meters. Is it clear? So this is the application of Prim's algorithm. Okay, और भी दो एग्जांपल्स हैं, वो भी हम चेक कर लेते हैं. और सपोज व्हाट इज साइकिल नाउ, अब ए से ई पे जाने के लिए सपोज टू का ही वेट होता, द वेट इज 2, देन इट क्रिएट्स, यू कैन सी साइकिल हियर. Okay, it is true that E is already explored, but इस तरह की साइकिल नहीं बननी चाहिए, otherwise your answer is going to be wrong. Okay, कहीं से भी साइकिल नहीं बनना चाहिए. E to DB मैं कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकता हूँ, क्लियर, A to DB कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकता हूँ, otherwise it creates, you can see a साइकिल क्रिएट नहीं होनी चाहिए इन द मिनिमम कॉस्ट स्पैनिंग ट्री और इन द स्पैनिंग ट्री. क्लियर? और दो एग्जांपल्स देख लो. ओके, तो द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. अब in examination they are asked in the form of like explain Prim's algorithm with the help of example. You can take any example. Simply क्या ध्यान रखना है, डायरेक्टेड ग्राफ नहीं होना चाहिए, आप कनेक्ट कर दो बस. कितने भी नोड ले लो, 6 नोड ले लो. सिंपल सपोज अगर मुझे पूछा गया हो एग्जाम में, तो मैं सिंपली क्या करूंगा, 5 नोड ले लूंगा, ए बी सी एन डी, क्योंकि उस समय आपके पास एग्जाम्पल नहीं होगा और आप क्या सोचोगे, हमें एग्जाम्पल दिया गया होता तो अच्छा रहता. बट टेकिंग एन एग्जाम्पल इज ऑल्सो वेरी इजी. हाँ, अगर आपको अल्गोरिदम आता है, आपको पूरी मेथड आती है, देन इट इज वेरी सिंपल. सपोज ए बी सी डी ई, बस ध्यान क्या रखना है, इट्स एन अनडायरेक्टेड ग्राफ, नॉट एन डायरेक्टेड ग्राफ, अदरवाइज मार्क्स आपके वहीं कट हो जाएंगे. अब सिंपली कनेक्ट कर दो. जैसे आपको कनेक्ट करना है, यू कैन कनेक्ट एंड गिव द वेट. या सिंपल वेट दे दो. सपोज यहाँ पे 2 दिया और यहाँ से और एक कनेक्ट करना है, यू कैन कनेक्ट यहाँ पे 2. ट्राई टू गिव द वेट फ्रॉम 1 to 10 so that it is easier to calculate also and it is easier to detect the minimum ages. Okay, दे सकते हो 20 30, it is up to you. सेम नंबर दे सकते हैं क्या? यस, यू कैन गिव. क्लियर? अब मैं स्टार्ट करूंगा, माय स्टार्टिंग वर्टेक्स इज ए एंड प्रिम्स एल्गोरिथम अप्लाई कर दूंगा. ओके, सो ये एग्जाम means this type of question also asked in examination. Explain Prim's algorithm with the help of example. Okay, take your example, directly put the nodes like 5 to 6 nodes and connect them, but it must be undirected. Okay, okay, here also I am taking the starting age or initial age as A. Okay, you can check which are the ages which have minimum cost 1. So A to B first I will select according to Prim's algorithm. Okay, so my what is my x is equal to A comma B. Okay, next from A to B, you can check from A next age is of weight 2, from B one of the ages is of cost 3, which is minimum A to C. That's why I am taken this A to C. Clear? Next from A B C, now our x is equal to A B and C. Okay, which are already explored. From A B and C, which is the next minimum? You can see this 3 is the next minimum. Okay, but if I take this 3, it creates a cycle. So your graph or your answer is totally wrong. It's not a spanning tree. Is it clear? So हमें 3 नहीं लेना है वेट, because अगर साइकिल क्रिएट हो गया तो आपका आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. So next minimum you can see here simply it's a 4, C to D. तो सिंपल मैं क्या करूंगा, C से D को कनेक्ट करूंगा with the edges of 4. Okay, next minimum is from A, B, C and D. You have to consider all the edge, all the vertices. Okay, you can see C से E पे हम 5 with the cost of 5 जा सकते हैं, D to E with the cost of 7, F to 8 with the cost of 8. Okay, C से F जा सकते हैं क्या? जाने की जरूरत है? No, because minimum is 5. Okay, from D to E minimum is the edges is 7. So minimum is 5 and we can reach each and every vertices with this edge. So simply, what is the answer? This one. Okay, still F is remaining. Oh. So what is our explored nodes? A, B, C and D and E also. Okay, अब हमें कहाँ जाना है? F. Simply check which is the minimum. Okay, minimum next बोलोगे आप सर 4 है, इसे ले लो. अगर 4 में ले, sorry, 7 is not minimum. Next minimum is 6. What you have to, आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है कि C से अगर F पे हम जा रहे हैं तो वहां पे कोई साइकिल क्रिएट हो रही है क्या? नहीं हो रही है. तो सिंपली connect from C to F with the edge of 6. Simple. What is the total cost? Total cost is 18. That is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. You can, अब ये नंबर के लिए मत बोलना सर अगर ये इस वे में ही लिखना है, there is any way for writing this? No, you can take 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, the answer is 18. You have to show this in examination. Huh? We obtain the minimum spanning tree of cost 18. Okay, and each and every time you have to draw this. Don't give this direct answer, otherwise you don't get the 7 marks. If it is of 3 marks, you can do. Otherwise, if it is asked in 7 mark, you have to show each and every step. Okay, the last example. Okay, so this is a last example which is asked in previous year data structure paper in GTU exam. Okay, यहाँ पे भी नहीं दिया गया है which is your starting vertex. अगर दिया हो B, E, C तो आपको वहीं से स्टार्ट करना. अगर नहीं दिया है तो आप कोई भी वर्टेक्स सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रीम्स एल्गोरिथम. वी आर वंस अगेन स्टार्टिंग विथ A. Okay, now from A, which edge have the minimum cost? You can see here the minimum cost is this 2 from A to E. Simply write A to E with the cost of 2. Okay, now check from A to E. A और E दोनों से चेक करना है कौन सा नेक्स्ट मिनिमम है. एक E से आ रहा है 12, B को कनेक्ट कर रहा है. Next one is reaching to G with the cost of 5. From A, is there any minimum? A to B 7, A to C 11. So 5 is minimum. Okay, so we simply connect from E to G with the cost 5. अब आपको ये तीनों नोड्स लेना है और नेक्स्ट मिनिमम ढूंढना है A, E and G. ओके, E से तो हमें G मिल गया. A से नेक्स्ट मिनिमम क्या है? एक तो 11 है, एक तो 9 है. ओके, E से 12. ओके, और G से there is one minimum edge that is 3 which is connected to D. So this one is next minimum. Okay, from G to D. Clear? Now there are total 4 nodes. We have to check the minimum edge from this 4 node. Okay, now you can see from D to F 8. Okay, next any minimum from G to B 10. Okay, from D to B 13. Till now the minimum is 8. Now from E to any other, E to B is 12. Minimum is still 8. Now from A to you can see here A to B the minimum weight is 7, and there is no cycle when we create here A to B. No cycle na. So the next vertex we are selecting is B with weight 7. Clear? Okay, this we already selected. Total how many nodes are there? E, A, B, G and D. Find out next minimum from these 5 nodes. You can see here D to F is the next minimum because rest of them are 9. Okay, there is one edge that is C to F, but it is not in explored node. Okay, You have to find the adjacent from A, E, G, D and B only. आप इसमें से ही चूज कर सकते हो कोई भी adjacent vertex. आप C से F नहीं चूज कर सकते because C is not in the list of explore node. That's why. So next minimum is D to F. Clear? Now one more node is added in the explore node, that is A, E, G, D, B and F. Now only one node is left. Obviously this is minimum amongst all from F to C. Clear? There is no cycle created. Okay, so what is our final minimum cost, minimum spanning tree cost? 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 4, that is 29. So this is your answer. I hope you understand this algorithm. If there is any query in any graph, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you.